उनका ग्रुप बहुत बड़ा है
इधर का
इधर।
गैंग लोग का।
हाँ हाँ, वो टाइगर गैंग है उनकी। तो मेरा बर्थडे ऊपर ही गच्ची पे बनाया था इन लोग ने।
और अगर तूने कुछ गलत कर्म किया ना,
करे
में चोर बाजार से लाया, यहाँ से लाया, वहाँ से लाया, तो मेरी भी ऐसा 2-4 वीडियो बना।
So guys, we are ready and this is what we have packed. One bag here, one bag here. That's my handbag and that's my gloves, my jacket, the new jacket. So I'll be wearing this. I have removed thermal and rain liner from there. So I'll be wearing this and let me give you the review of this jacket while I'm riding. So as you know, I have mentioned in my previous videos as well that I was planning to go to Goa and this was the most awaited trip. Okay, so today is Saturday. क्या दिन है यार आज के माँ की आप दिन क्या है so today is 20th May. Okay, and it's 9:15, 9:20. Okay, and now we'll be heading to Goa. Okay, not directly, so we'll be heading to Goa. Packing is done, everything is done. This guy will be accompanying me as usual. I won't be covering from Cotton Green to Panvel because is nothing exciting about that road. So from here I'll start directly covering from Panvel. Okay, so Panvel from Pain I'll taking right and all those Goa road. It's a night, so I don't know how much I'll be able to cover because you know this camera is not made for night recording. So I don't know. बीच बीच में जहाँ मुझे टाइम मिला वहाँ मैं रिकॉर्ड करूँगा. I'll give you the ideas about the places where you can stop, where you can eat, where you can do what. Okay, this is the battery which I'm carrying with me. This is the battery. So that's it. We are done and see you on the road. Okay, let's head to Goa. Hello YouTube. So we have reached. We are just 20 kilometers away from Mahad. Unfortunately, I could not record my journey from Mumbai to Mahad because you know this camera shit here. I mean, the only drawback with this camera is I cannot record at night. Even if I record, you won't be able to see anything. So I have decided not to record anything. If I'm coming back in the morning on Wednesday probably, because today is Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday probably I'll be coming back from Goa. So while coming I may record. Okay, and but meanwhile on the way from Mumbai to Goa I'll be recording जहाँ जहाँ मुझे अच्छी लाइटिंग मिलेगी, जहाँ जहाँ अगर मैं खाना पीना खाने कहीं रुक रहा हूँ, सो आई विल डेफिनेटली रिकॉर्ड देयर. आई विल टेल यू. सो अभी तो मेरा पेट्रोल गाड़ी में मैंने अराउंड 520 रुपीज़ का पेट्रोल भरा था. ओके, और ऑलरेडी मुंबई में गाड़ी 100 किलोमीटर चल गई थी. सो मुंबई टू महाड़. ओके, महाड़ अभी भी 20 किलोमीटर है यहाँ से दूर. 520 के पेट्रोल में आ गई गाड़ी. तो बाय द वे मैं डबल सीट हूँ. ओके, सो मेरे साथ मेरा फ्रेंड गोविंद है. तो उस हिसाब से गाड़ी ने कुछ 30-35 किलोमीटर्स का एवरेज दिया है. और बाय द वे हाँ, आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दिस DSG जैकेट. आई मीन दिस जैकेट इज़ रियली वेरी गुड. ऑल mesh, you don't feel heat when you are wearing this jacket. It's all mesh and it's very comfortable as long as the fitting is concerned and as long as the riding comfort is concerned. So it's very good. Speaking about my bike, I want to show you the channel branding which I have did on my bike. So this is the channel branding which I have did. पीछे हाईवे सेलर लिखा है और फिर मैंने हाईवे सेलर आई थिंक यहाँ लिखा है. ऑन माई शॉक अब्जर्स दोनों जगह यहाँ भी लिखा है, यहाँ भी लिखा है. और ये जो बॉटल माउंट है वो अभी मतलब बिफोर कमिंग टू गोवा मैंने माउंट किया था. वो कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं है, वो साइकिल माउंट है जो मैंने मेरे बाइक पे लगा दिया. सो गाइस, नाउ आई डोंट नो where I'll start recording again. बट अभी महाड़ है आई थिंक. खेड़ रत्नागिरी पहुँचने रत्नागिरी तक तो अभी आई विल गो नॉन स्टॉप मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली. ओके, सो इफ़ आई एम स्टॉपिंग एट रत्नागिरी then see you at Ratnagiri, guys. Bye. Have a very good night because it's around what 2 or 2:30 in the morning. Okay, most of you people are sleeping right now, but जब तक ये वीडियो आएगा you will be must awake झकास में. And let's see what's in store for us. I love Mumbai to Goa road. I mean, but unfortunately काफ़ी काम चलने के कारण रास्ता काफ़ी जैम है. 2-3 बीच में एक्सीडेंट भी हुआ है, तो बस की तो लगी पड़ी है. और फिर भी लेट्स सी, आगे तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. एंड आई एम होपिंग, आई एम कीपिंग माई फिंगर्स क्रॉस दैट द रोड मस्ट बी क्लियर एंड द जर्नी विल गो एज आई हैव एक्सपेक्टेड. ओके, टिल देन it's bye bye from Highway Seller. Hello YouTube. So we have reached Polatpur. Okay, if you can see वहाँ, I don't know if you can see or not, but वहाँ शिवाजी महाराज का पुतळा आहे. Let me just take you there. No car is coming. No car is coming. So I'm using my phone light because it's 3:30 in the morning, and see, that's the statue of great Shivaji Maharaj. We have reached Polatpur, and we are here to take a little bite. I mean bite as in भूख लगी है, तो I'll be having burji pav and all those stuff. So रास्ते इतने अच्छे नहीं है द वे आई हैव एक्सपेक्टेड. आई डोंट नो इफ़ आगे के रास्ते भी ऐसे हैं कि नहीं है. लेट मी जस्ट क्रॉस वर्तक. बट देयर इज़ वन इंटरेस्टिंग स्टफ आई वांट टू शो यू. ओके, एग्जैक्टली अपोजिट टू द स्टैचू ऑफ द ग्रेट शिवाजी महाराज वी हैव द टी स्टॉल ओवर हियर, एंड ही हैज़ रिटन free Wi-Fi. That's great. I mean, that's the tea stall. Okay, and look what he has written. Free Wi-Fi on tea stall. Man, India is really going digital. इसकी लगी पड़ी है. पिछवाड़े का कचुम्बर बन गया है. And that's my bike again. So guys, next stop I don't know. Next halt I don't know. But right now we'll be enjoying our burji, and then we'll be क्या लिया? बुर्जी लिया क्या? हाँ, कितना क्या लिया अभी? बुर्जी चाय. हाँ, तो चाय और ये उल्टा लग गया. यस, सो चाय और बुर्जी और आई डोंट नो व्हाट. नो, सिर्फ चाय. हाँ, तो सिर्फ चाय पियेंगे और निकल जाएंगे हम लोग. ओके, सो लेट्स सी आगे कहाँ मिलते हैं. बाय बाय टिल देन यूट्यूब. नगर सहकारी पतसंस्था लिमिटेड चिपळूण हार्दिक स्वागत करत आहोत. सो गाइज, वी हैव फाइनली रीच चिपळूण. ओके, रात भर ड्राइव करने के बाद, रात भर ड्राइव नहीं किया, बीच बीच में रुके, टाइम पास किया और बहुत कुछ किया, बट फाइनली सुबह हो गई है और इतनी लाइटिंग तो हो गई है कि मैं रिकॉर्ड कर पाऊँ. सो सी,
गुड मॉर्निंग.
ये एक सेकंड. So finally it's morning and we are in a good light. Okay, Chiprun we have reached. Is some Rugnale over there, and this is a road which we will be riding on. So what I'll do is, जो रात भर मैं ना कर पाया वो अभी सुबह it's what time? It's let me see what's the time. It's 6:09. So 6:09 in the morning, and let me record something for you. As you can see, the view is fantastic. The road is superb. Oh fuck. अभी मेरे को उड़ा देता. So the view is fantastic, and so let me record something. थोड़ा टाइम के लिए रिकॉर्ड करूँगा. Then I'll reach some destination and then again I'll start recording. तो पूरी जर्नी में रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर सकता. Okay, so let's come. I'll show you this road. Enjoy. It's morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hello YouTube. So we have reached Aravali and we have a hot water spring over here. It's like an hour ride from Chiplun towards Goa Road, around 50 odd kilometers from Chiplun, and you will see this Aravali hot water spring, which is a tourist point, and Maharashtra government is promoting this point. Okay, so we've been driving since 10 p.m. from last night, and it's almost 11 13 hours of ride we've been doing, and हम लोग काफ़ी गंदे हो गए. Okay, so we decided to clean ourselves, but we won't be going to this hot water spring because it's a small little well. Instead, we'll go to the river, which is just 2 minutes ahead of this hot water spring, and there we will have the leverage of getting into a natural jacuzzi, and we'll swim and we'll de-stress a little bit, and we'll take a bath, clean ourselves, and then move ahead. Okay, so this is a river. If you can see, you can see the river. This guy is really very happy. Ultimately 12 घंटे बाद नहाने मिलेगा. So yes, it's cold and it's really heating because और 1-2 घंटे बाद सूरज चढ़ जाएगा सिर पे और फिर तो बैंड बजनी है. So before that, let's clean ourselves, let's get fresh, and then we'll proceed with our ride again. So stay tuned to Highway Seller to enjoy such views, because there are not many things which will be coming up. So yeah, here I am enjoying in river. Thank you. Hello YouTube. So after getting cleaned ourselves, we rode for around 100 kilometers, and I stopped here because I saw this mountain of Alfonso mangoes. Yes, these are raw, original, organically grown Alfonso mangoes, which I just saw, and the price of this mango is 1200 rupees for 100 pieces of mangoes. And this place is around 100 kilometers ahead of the Aravali, where we were taking bath, and I have left my friend. You must be thinking where he's going, so I have left him at the tea stall. So this is a tea stall on my right. Okay, and because he was hungry and he wanted to take a quick bite. After taking bath, you generally feel hungry, so he's having vada pav, and I won't be having vada pav because I don't know, I just don't like the taste of the vada pav over here. But I will definitely have one tea. So see, vada pav chutney. The chutney is really very spicy. So I'll catch you up after some time. Uh, so yes, we have reached, guys. We have reached. We have just crossed Ratnagiri, and after riding for again 2 hours, after that quick little vada pav break, we have stopped by the roadside and we've been picking mangoes and eating. गरीबों के दिन आ गए हैं, रास्ते पे गिरे हुए आम we are picking up and we are eating, and believe me guys, it's mind blowing experience. गिरे हुए आम खाने का मजा ही कुछ और है. You buy mangoes and you eat, and you pick mangoes by the roadside and you eat. The fun is really very different. So the experience is completely different, and I personally like गिरे हुए आम खाना. So here I am enjoying, and I hope you are too enjoying the mangoes, because the only benefit of coming in summers in Konkan is that you get loads and loads of mangoes over here. Apart from that, there is nothing great coming or riding on the coastal line of Konkan. Till then we will eat, and I hope you are enjoying my video. और आप इतना अगर देर तक देखा ही आपने, तो इसके आगे भी देखो, बहुत सी चीजें और बाकी है.
Hello, so we are at it's between Sawantwadi and Kuda, and that's my bike. Sachin, she's in mess. So that's my jacket, that's my mobile holder, that's my jacket, that's my bike, sorry, that's my bag, not bike, bag, handbag, helmet, main bag, cushion, and those are watermelons. And from this side we came, and this is between Kuda and Sawantwadi. Okay, just check it, and we'll be going to this side where the Goa is, and where I'll be taking bypass from Sawantwadi. So Sawantwadi Goa bypass, which will save my 20 kilometers at least. I'm super pissed and super tired. I'm hungry as well. I need food, and I'm trying to keep myself hydrated as much as possible, because you need to keep yourself hydrated, or else you can face heat stroke, because the climate is not very soothing. The climate is very fucking harsh, so you need to keep yourself hydrated. So that's the reason. Okay, so right now I am signing off, and we'll start recording once I'm about to enter Goa.
Hello YouTube. So we are about to hit Sawantwadi Goa bypass road, and it's 1 p.m. and we have been riding for 15 hours now, and you have already witnessed what all we did, what all fun we did in those 15 hours. The sun is on the top and we are facing heat like crazy. So yes, after crossing the bypass road, now we are at the checkpost of Goa, so which means we have already crossed Maharashtra border, and that's my blue ship. That's the logo written over there, blue ship. I will give you the review about this pipe in the later part of this video, because I am planning to make 2-3 parts, because I have recorded all the things which I have did in Goa, so won't be possible for me to cover in one part. And yay, we have entered Goa border finally after 16 hours of ride, 16 hours of fun, 16 hours of tiredness, 16 hours of painful, beautiful ride. Thank you for being a part of my journey. Please stay tuned to part 2 of this video. Thank you.